Copy trading is one of the easiest way beginners try to make money online, but it can also wipe your account if you don't understand this simple strategy. So on today's video, I'll be explaining how Tradovas copy trading works. I use it to make a lot of profit and the mistakes you avoid all in this particular video. So watch this video from the beginning to the ending because I'll be explaining even both the registration and how to copy trade, one of the best traders out there. Okay, so guys, this is my dashboard. You can see right here I have $2,033 and I made deposit of $1,000, and here is my withdrawal. I just withdrawed to use for this purpose of this particular video. It's already on my Bybit. So this is my withdrawal. I've withdrawn $250 to take you guys through all the process. So here, for you to start copy trading, you click on start copy trading up here, and here you're going to be seeing I copied Benjamin Cowell. He's one of the best crypto trader, and you can see total profit which I've made is $2,131, and this trading I've been holding it for 2 days. Okay, so one of the advantage of using Tradovas, why people love to use Tradovas, is you can still cancel your trade. You can click on your trade and cancel your trade that you're holding. If I want to cancel this trade, I just click on cancel trade. Okay, so to start copy trading, you're going to be clicking on get started right here. So here is going to be asking you to register, which I'm going to be using NextPip. And the good thing I like about Tradovas is there is no KYC needed. So you can actually use your full name right here, and your email address, you can use your email. So you add your phone number right here and click continue. So select your location. You can add a strong password. So here you're going to ask you for the code. Here you're going to put the security code which is provided at the up. So once done, agree and create account. Okay, so the verification code, I just go to my email and check. So this is my email. Let me just put that all. So this is my verification email. Just click on verify. So guys, I'm already on the dashboard here. So I'm going to be using my withdrawal because I don't want to cancel my old trade. I'm going to be using my withdrawal from this Bybit, the withdrawal I withdraw from the other profit to make a deposit on this account. I want to have a multiple account, so for the sake of that, I'll be using it same to make this particular video. So here you click on deposit right here because you're going to have some amount on your account as it is in other exchange before you can start copy trading. So here I'm going to be making use of $100. Okay, so I'll be using their TRC20. So click on proceed. Okay, so copy their wallet, this. So to my Bybit, assets. Sorry, we have poor connection. Withdraw. So here we're going to be withdrawing from. I'm going to be withdrawing crypto or chain. So select USDT on chain. So I'm going to be pasting the wallet right here that I copied from my dashboard. So network TRC20, $100. Okay, once that is set, okay, so click on withdraw, confirm. So I'll get a code from my email. Okay, so this is my code. I'm going to copy this. Is a one-time code, so no need of blocking. So now authenticator is a one-time and can get it here. Okay, so paste and confirm. Okay, so you can see with our application. So now I'm gonna be getting the view history to screenshot that. Yeah, I'm gonna be screenshotting that. Okay, so now I'll go back to my Chrome and upload this screenshot. Okay, and click submit. So it doesn't take like at least a seconds and your withdrawal will be approved. So your deposit will be approved to your account. So I'm going to be going back to my dashboard right here to refresh. Okay, it has actually reflected. So now I'm going to be clicking on start copy trading right here. Okay, so I'm going to be scrolling down. I love to trade with these guys, 90% success, Benjamin Cowell. So I'll click on start copy trading. Okay, so I'll scroll down. Okay, you can see testimonies about Benjamin Cowell right here. These are the testimony. So that is not what I want to do right here. So I'm going to be putting, let me see, I'm going to be putting risking $80 right here. Okay, so this, if you want to auto start your trade after, okay, this Benjamin Cowell is actually 1 day trade. Okay, so if you want to auto start your trade, you can actually turn on this or turn it off to copy manually. Okay, so here I'll click on start copy trading. Okay, here it said the two nearest valid value are 50 and 150. Okay, so here I'm going to be putting 50. I'm going to copy trade twice. Okay, so 50, start copy trading. So my copy trading has started. So now you can see I'm copying Benjamin Cowell. Is already active and is $50 and there is no profit yet. Okay, so this is correct. So now I'm going to go back to my copy trade. I still want to copy Benjamin Cowell again with the remaining $50. So scroll down. Okay, I don't think you can copy a trader twice. So let me go back and copy another trader. So I'm going to be copying crypto. Dr. Profit is still 95% and people are talking about Dr. Profit. So here I'm going to click on start copy trading. Okay, so now I've copied two traders and I think I'm going to be holding these two traders and I'll be having just $30 on my account. So this is how to copy trade, and the good thing is you can cancel your trade. Okay, you can decide to pause your trade or to completely cancel your trade. You can cancel your trade by clicking on cancel investment, which your money is going to be returning back to your wallet. Okay, so now this is how to copy trade on Tradovas. Okay, you can see my account is actually just $30. So I'll be reviewing this in a couple of days after my trade have yield. So now let me go back to my old account. So I'll be logging out from this account to show you guys how to withdraw from this account. So this is my other account, and if I click on copy trade right here, my total profit, and these are all my trade. Okay, so Benjamin Cowell, this is the profit you have given me. This was yesterday and this was today. Okay, so now I'm going to be holding this trade like I told you for complete another 2 days, and I'll be making at least $4,000 from my $1,000 account. So this is how to copy trade. And if you're copy trade from one of the 5-star rated traders. Okay, so it's very, very simple to copy trade. So I decided to make this record when I started trading on this platform. So you can see here I was having, I deposited $1,000, and here I made profit of $74.2, okay, from the first day I started. So you can see here, this is my $1,000. And on still the same trade, the same day, I made that withdrawal of $250, okay. So to withdraw, just click on withdraw, and here you just select any preferred wallet. Like here I use ERC20, sorry, USDT. So here I click on proceed to withdraw. So you just have to copy your wallet, maybe USDT TRC20. So here I put amount, which is 250, and I added my wallet, which I copied from my Bybit. So once you paste that here, you just click on complete withdraw. So confirm withdrawal, and that's all. Okay, it's gonna take like 2 to 3 seconds, and depending on your network provider of your exchange, you're gonna be receiving the one. You can see here my withdrawal is still on pending. Just refresh. I refreshed and I went back to my dashboard right here. So you see here my withdrawal has reflected. So if I go back to my Bybit right here, refresh, you can see this is my amount. So let me just switch it to USDT. Okay, so this is my $250. Okay, so now this is one of the best platforms to copy trade.